Now let us pass on to the problem number 2, that is harmonic analysis. It is also a cantilever beam problem where it is a steel beam problem. We will follow the same procedure as a previous. We will go for preference, structural, H method, OK, preprocessor, element type, add edit delete, add, beam, which is the same 2D elastic 3 problem, give it OK, close. Then we will go for real constants, add edit delete, add, OK. As we have to give an area, we will go for 0.01. I am taking star 0.01, means you have breadth and height. I am multiplying both so that you will get an area. Then the value of inertia which is given in the question is 8.33 exponential minus 10. Height. If inertia value is not given, you can use the formula bh cube by 12. Using that, you can find the inertia. Here B value is 0.01, H value is 0.01. Then what is the height value? Height value is 0.01 mm. And give it OK. Next, I'll pass on to the material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. What is the Young's modulus which is given in the question? 206800 exponential 6. 206800 exponential 6. Okay. Next, after that, go for density. The density value which is given in the question is 7830, which should be divided by 9.81 as a previous problem, 798.165. After division, you will get this value. I am just inputting that. Then after that, I will go for modeling, create, nodes, inactive CS. First node it is 0, 0, and the second node, as per the given question, it is 1, 0. It is 1, 0. Then after that, go for elements, auto number, through nodes, select first node and a second node, give OK. Then go for loading condition. Before going to the loading condition, first we will go for solution. In the previous, first you have taken all DOF, then you have gone for solution. Here at the first itself we will go for analysis type, new analysis, and we will go for harmonic analysis. Then OK, we will go for analysis options. We will get full real imaginary. Okay, it is a real imaginary. Go for OK. Then you will get this one. Then give it OK. No need to change anything in that. Okay, which I have given in the question also. Now go for loads, solution, define loads, apply, structural, displacement, on nodes. The first node will be 0 is a real part, 0 is a imaginary part, because it is a fixed value. Then go for force on moment on nodes. Here OK, the real part here is 0. Here the real part is 100, that is 100 Newton, which is given in the question, and the imaginary part is 0. OK. Just a minute. I have given direction as X. Just I am deleting it. Just go for force moment on nodes. I have, for deletion, I have selected the value. I can't delete. For applying, I will select apply. Structural, force on moment, on nodes. I will select second. I will give OK. Here I have to change it for Fy, since the value which is given in the question is for in Y direction. Okay, so this is a load which I have given in the question. Then I will go for then after that we will go for solution, load step options, then after that time or frequency, frequency and substeps. The harmonic frequency range should be 0 to 100 and the number of substeps too should be 100. It is not ramped, it is a stepped. So 0. Then after that I will go for not general post processor. In the previous we have selected general post processor. Now we will select time history post processor. So before going to the time history post processor, you have to solve the equation. Solve, current ls, okay. After solution is done, then you will go for time history post processor. So after clicking a time history post processor, you should get this one. If you are not getting this, then you should solve the question. Until that, you will not get this. First you have to solve the question. Go for solve and give current ls, then only you will get this. Go for add DOF solution. Then you will select a y component. You give OK. Just move this. Since y component is here, I am selecting the second node and I am giving OK. After giving OK, I just go for list data. I think, please see this. You are getting a list data. You will get this list. Have to show this list to the external. Then after that, you have a symbol of a graph here. Just click on a graph. Then see, you will get this graph. This graph as a result. You should write it in an answer sheet. Okay, thank you.